Are you looking for the best air quality monitors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best air quality monitors that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the VSON Air Quality Pollution Monitor. The VSON Air Quality Pollution Monitor is a portable machine that fits easily in a pocket while providing easy-to-read information on its full-color LCD screen. 5 unique sensors record and display data, including reading on formaldehyde, benzene, particulate matter, temperature, and humidity. The numerical information is good for scientific tracking, but this tester also features an easy-to-understand emoji as well. The average levels of each gas and contaminants are displayed prominently in real time. A color and sound alarm feature is included that will go off when air quality levels are bad enough to warrant. This air quality monitor has a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery with a USB cable. Battery life is average at around 3 to 5 hours of use. This device is portable enough to get packed in a bag or coat pocket to go traveling, camping, and anywhere else you want to measure the air quality. The VSON Air Quality Pollution Monitor is a great solution to get immediate answers to what you're breathing at any given moment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Huma-i 150 Advanced Portable Air Quality Monitor. If you're looking for an air quality tester that will work anywhere that you do, consider the Huma-i 150 Advanced Portable Air Quality Monitor. It measures several types of pollution, including particulate matter in PM2.5 and PM10 levels. Its pocket-sized portability is a plus, as you can bring it with you anywhere and it will work as well outdoors as it does inside. The display readout is incredibly simple. Information is available either graphically or numerically with the touch of a button to suit your preference. The emoji-type graphic that represents air quality is a nice touch. This monitor features a built-in fan to quickly draw in air that allows for measurements in real time. It's simple, clean, and does the job. The ability to measure quickly for peace of mind is exactly what this little gadget was made for. It doesn't feature any sort of connectivity, it won't link up to your phone, and it doesn't record historical data, but that's not what this monitor was meant for. The Huma-i 150 is a good product to slip in your pocket so you can measure air quality whenever and wherever you need to. At number 3, we have the Biaoling Air Quality Monitor. This popular device, the Biaoling Air Quality Monitor, features easy-to-read particulate numbers on a bright LCD color screen. It measures various contaminants including CO2, HCHO, TVOC, PM2.5, and PM10, all at the same time. This air quality tester features electrochemical sensors that provide accurate measurements that should report slight fluctuations in air quality. All the particulate data is displayed at the same time in real time for up to the minute understanding of the air you're breathing. Simply turn it on, wait between 1 and 5 minutes and the sensors will provide the data on the screen for you to take in. The large 3000 mAh battery fully charges in around 4 hours and lasts between 8 and 12 depending on use. If you're looking for a premium device that can interface with your home gadgets and provide data comparison from the cloud, this isn't it. However, if you're looking for a ballpark estimate on the types of pollutants in your home or office, this will go a long way in letting you know what you're breathing in. At number 2, we have the Airthings 4200 House Kit. The Airthings 4200 House Kit includes 2 air quality monitoring devices and a hub that connects everything. The 2 devices are the Wave and the Wave Mini, which between them will give you statistics on radon, mold risk, total VOC, humidity, and temperature. Each product in the kit is available individually, outside this kit, as well. Basically, it comes down to this. The Wave is a radon gas measuring device and the Mini measures mold contaminants along with VOC. Both of the monitors together give you a wide range of information, but neither of them measures CO2 levels. The Wave Plus is the best of the bunch, but it doesn't feature Wi-Fi connectivity and online reviews claim that its radon reporting isn't that accurate. The hub is pretty much just that. A gadget to connect the various Airthings products in the home together to deliver that information via Wi-Fi to your smartphone. It also is available as a separate purchase outside this kit. The most popular feature of this line is the ability to wave your hand in front of it to be presented with a color-coded indicator of what the air quality level is at that moment. That's pretty cool. These gadgets look great and work admirably here and there, but to get readings of what all is in the air of your home takes numerous devices to do it. It would be really nice if Airthings would come out with one singular product that tested multiple contaminants and offered Wi-Fi connectivity. And finally at number 1, we have the Airthings Wave Plus. The Airthings Wave Plus measures 6 key indoor air factors including radon, CO2, toxins and chemicals, humidity, temperature, and air pressure. The gadget itself looks great and is unobtrusive enough to not be noticed amongst any decor. It communicates via Bluetooth to an app on your mobile device to deliver stats and information. If you don't happen to have your phone on you, simply wave your hand in front of the monitor to get a colored ring of light to appear showing you how the air is at the moment. Green means good, red means bad, and so on. This all-in-one testing solution is very handy and has received many honors and design awards including from Time magazine and CES. Online reviews claim that the radon accuracy is average and the lack of Wi-Fi, you'll need the Airthings hub for that which is a separate purchase, is frustrating. That said, what the Wave Plus does, it does well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.